So welcome to the Inspired Story Unfiltered Talks with Kasturi. So today we have a very special guest with us. She is a very fabulous, very talented, and very experienced guest with us. So let's welcome her.
Hi,
Hello,
Kasturi.
ma'am. How are you?
How are you?
How are you, ma'am? So,
Sorry, short के बीच में आना पड़ा, but
she is a very busy right now. We are on her set right now, and she has given us like a few time अपने लिए पूरा वो episode shoot
few
करने के
I have
लिए.
given few minutes actually.
Yeah, she is a very busy person. Ma'am, thank you so much for your time, and I am really grateful. Like you have given me the whole time from your working space, and it's a very big deal. Thank you so much for your time, and again, welcome on the Inspired Story.
Thank you, Kasturi. Thank you for inviting me on your channel.
हम आपको एक्ट्रेस तो जानते ही है एज अ एक्ट्रेस वी नो यू रियली वेरी वेल बट वी वांट टू नो हु इज राधिका विद्यासागर बिहाइंड द सीन्स व्हाट इज अ लाइफ जर्नी वी वांट टू नो इन डिटेल.
You want to know about Radhika Vidyasagar or Radhika Harshe, which is my maiden name, as a whole. Yeah. So, or behind the screen. So basically, when I remove my makeup, when I go home, when I reach home, I'm a mother, I'm a homemaker, and I look after my house. So this is what has been going on for years since maybe I got married, or maybe after my daughter came along. So I've been, first of all, family comes first. My family is my priority. And जैसे ही मैं मेकअप रिमूव करती हूँ, I'm back to Radhika Vidyasagar, who she is, or who she was, and who she is going to be in future. So when I get ready in the morning, like currently for last 8 months since I'm doing this show Udne Ki Aasha on Star Plus, I'm playing Renuka, a very strong character, full of emotions and full of life, and full of so many emotions. I'm really thankful and grateful that I got such a super role to play. So for last few months, or say 8-9 months, my schedule is like I leave my house at around 8 with all my bags, as in with all my khana, all my tiffins, all my whatever tiffin boxes, and my lunch, also my dinner. I cook for myself, and because sometimes the house helps are not there, so I cook for myself, for my family. And the minute I reach here, I put on the makeup, and then I am Renuka, the character which I'm playing. But jaise hi makeup utarta hai, as I said, I am a complete homemaker. I look after my house. I love to look after my house. I love to, right from shopping of bhaji, like vegetables, or shopping for fruits, vegetables, grocery. I really love to do everything. So when I'm not an actor, I'm a homemaker, complete homemaker.
Then how do you even manage balancing house and your profession equally? Like for women, it's very tough for
Yes.
now. It's very tough.
As you rightly said, it's very difficult for women, and it's getting even more difficult day by day, because the traffic is increasing, the hardships are increasing, the uh, tasks are increasing. Everyone is multitasking today, and it's not even me, right? From take any woman.
Yeah.
And she is balancing her home, she's balancing her work, she's balancing everything.
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 Every living thing.
Her own psychological well being, her whole mental health, everything she's balancing. So I'm no different. I have to balance everything, and I am multitasking, and I feel uh, I am grateful that I have help today. I have support from my family, and I really feel myself very lucky that I have a big support. सपोर्ट के बिना तुम कर ही नहीं सकते एक तो, बट फिर भी आई हैव टू मल्टीटास्क, एंड आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ द फैक्ट दैट आई एम बैलेंसिंग एवरीथिंग, एंड आई एम मल्टीटास्किंग.
Yeah.
So ये but ये है, I myself am finding ways how to ease out things, how to balance things. But then in a metro like Mumbai, in a profession like where I'm working almost 14 hours a day or even more,
More.
and balancing my home and my work, it is difficult. Delegate work. I try to delegate work, but then sometimes, as I said, the helps are not around. Sometimes things are not in your favor. So that time it is difficult. But most of the time, touch wood, I am been getting all of support from my family, my parents, my in-laws, everyone. So, but then not everyone is so lucky.
Yeah.
You have to multitask.
So,
So मल्टीटास्किंग है, बड़े बड़े शहरों में ये करना ही पड़ता है सबको, कितना भी कुछ भी हो, कितने भी हेल्प्स हो आपके पास, कितने भी कुछ भी लोग हो आपके हाथ के, मतलब आपके नीचे काम करने के लिए, फिर भी आपको करना ही पड़ता है। ये बैलेंस ऐसा नहीं है कि सब है फिर भी आप योर एट ईज, एंड आई थिंक एवरीवन goes through this, so it's fine.
so when you do like 14-hour shift to 15-hour shift, it's a continued thing every day.
Yeah.
तो आपको मोटिवेशन क्या होता है? रात को आप सोते हो, थक जाते हो, आप सोचने का टाइम भी नहीं मिलता होगा आपको। सुबह when you get up at I guess at 6 a.m. what's your thinking कि आज मतलब क्या मोटिवेशन है?
One day at a time can be the best funda for this, because एक तो थक जाते हैं तो नींद लग ही जाती है, वो सवाल ही नहीं आता है,
वो
बिकॉज
सवाल ही नहीं।
सम मतलब somehow or the other you have to get your 7-8 hours का sleep.
Yes.
Then only you can work for so long. And I work continuously without sitting, because I am the prominent character in the show and I've been working like this for last 8 months. Unfortunately, it took a toll last month because I was completely down with viral fever and few things and few reports came haywire, and so yes, it was an alarming thing, it was a warning for me, and so I've taken it a little easy. But see, the way you have to balance it, कभी ना कभी तो होता है, वायरल होता है, कभी सर्दी खांसी हो जाती है, कभी ये होता है, उसमें भी काम करना पड़ा है. टुडे माय मेन लीड इज वर्किंग even though she's got typhoid, and it is
So
but then you
hectic.
have to work.
Yeah.
Work goes on, and I सुबह उठ के क्या, as I said, one day at a time, one thing at a time. So सुबह उठ के वही खाना बनाओ, वही सब रूटीन, and have to but मेरे जैसे जितने लोग हैं, लाइक मेरे एज के कहो या मेरे टाइप के जो जितने भी फीमेल एक्टर्स हैं, वो सब यही करते हैं. वी मैनेज होम, वी मैनेज वर्क. सो घर पे फ़ोन करके सब ठीक ठाक चल रहा है ना, ये हो रहा है ना, वो हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है, ये सब देखना ही पड़ता है. So, what wakes me up in the morning and what motivates me is I have to look after my family. I have to make food for them. वो सब तैयार करके I have to go to the shoot. And यहाँ तो बहुत बहुत अच्छे co actors हैं मेरे. Shoot मेरा जो team है, the production team, the entire unit is so good. They take a very good care of me. So ये भी motivate करता है कि I'm going today to a place where they care for me, they look after me, and yes, I've got a very good role जो सबको नहीं मिलता है, and I'm playing so many different shades in this, that आज कौन सा shade play करना है मुझे, आज क्या लिखा है मेरे लिए, because I don't get the time to read the screenplay or the scripts very often. अगर मालूम होता है तो होता है, but नहीं होता है तो then reading the scripts and coming to the set and reading the scripts and performing it itself is quite motivating.
Yeah, that's quite motivating.
And as I said, I'm really grateful to universe that I'm being able to do all this, which I always liked. It was my passion since childhood, and not everyone gets a chance, but God has given me this chance.
So you said like you got that chance. What was the chance you got in your childhood? What was that one come back in this industry, or a setback?
Comeback तो नहीं है. I've been working for last almost 20 years or more than that. Just maternity break गया थोड़ा सा, because obviously I had to look after my
Yeah.
daughter. तो वो सबका जाता है. and then I've been working throughout. I was born in a family of, rather, I'm born in a family of doctors and academicians. So everyone, like my parents, also wanted me to be a doctor, or at least मतलब पढ़ाई करो, पढ़ लिख के जो करना है, मास्टर्स, उससे भी आगे जो है वो पढ़ो, पढ़ना वाज द मेन थिंग इन आवर हाउस. So in fact, my parents wanted me to become a doctor, but then I was not at all inclined towards medicine and science also. So initially itself, I took the art stream, and I was very much interested in all the arts ke subjects. Like I really enjoyed studying history, geography, all the languages. I've done my BA in German and BA with history from Ferguson College, and then my master's in communication studies from Pune University.
Okay.
So I was very much inclined to studies. I also wanted to study and do whatever I like, or whatever मेरा जहाँ पे aptitude है. When in fact I wanted to I started preparing a little bit for UPSC entrance also.
Oh my God.
Then after my graduation, I got this chance. I actually entrance हुआ mass com का, masters in communication studies, and I फिर आज भी मुझे याद है मेरा पहला नाम था राधिका हर्षी on the list, university list में, and interview और GD भी crack किया था, तो obviously I went for that. And then I actually got an internship with Discovery Channel post production. Then I did my job with UTV, a short stint, but in UTV, production house called Plus Channel, and I assisted a lot of directors, Marathi, Hindi as well. So I was an assistant director for almost 2 to 3 years. And then somehow acting was my passion since childhood. मैं करती थी ये सब, मतलब पूरे मुझे याद है स्कूल में भी जब हर कोई फैंसी ड्रेस कंपटीशन का हर साल मैं जीतती थी. And then after my schooling, I got awards in college, intercollegiate बोलते जो intercollegiate drama competition होता है, उसमें also I won awards for acting. And but still I was inclined to do my a job in production houses or somewhere, similar job. One fine day, somehow I thought that I want to do acting also, and I'll continue doing both. But practically it was not possible. So I tried I didn't try, but I got this photo shoot done. And then luckily, when I sent my photos to the production house, I luckily got my first initial Hindi shows जो मिले मुझे, वो उन फोटोज के तौर पे ही मिले हैं, मतलब फोटोज देख के ही मिले हैं. और मैं 4 से 5 सीरियल मैंने किए मेन लीड्स. When I started my career with शहनाई, UTV का एक शो आता था, डेली शो, and that in that I was the main lead, main girl. So उसके बाद 3-4 shows किए मैंने, and then I did Marathi television at the same time. उसके बाद थोड़ा सा maternity break आया, and then again I started doing the shows as and how they came along. So films, Marathi films, ad films, I did a lot of ad films, बहुत ज़्यादा ad films किए, and recently अभी कहे तो अभी मुंजा किया, my first Hindi film.
How was your experience about Munja?
Actually, Munja came along very suddenly. Suddenly is the only word. Because Aditya Sarpotdar knew me, so he's the only one person I can like. He called me, and that happened. And all the actors were friends, and I knew them from the Marathi fraternity. So we had a lovely experience. We shot in Guhagar. And Konkan side. And a fantastic thing. And who doesn't like to be a part of such a commercial hit? Yeah. So I was a part of it.
Hit.
Yeah. दो तीन scenes मेरे edit हुए हैं, but that's a part of
that's parts of life
of the game, so that's fine. But Munja and then Udne Ki Asha happened. So currently Udne Ki Asha is happening, and I'm not getting time to even think of anything.
Then ma'am, आप अपने पर्सनल लाइफ को कैसे मेंटेन करते हो? सब इतना हेक्टिक रूटीन है आपका, आप कैसे खुद को
अभी वापस हेक्टिक हुआ है. इसके पहले कोविड के टाइम तो एज यू नो
Yeah,
एवरीवन वाज
everything
एट
was, yeah.
होम. एवरीवन वाज एट होम. सो वो भी गया. थोड़े मेरे हेल्थ इश्यूज हो गए उस टाइम, तो एनीवे आई हैड टू रेस्ट. एंड कोविड भी हुआ था, तो सबको हुआ था कोविड. फैमिली में सबको हुआ था.
Like, was it hard to convince your family for this, doing this job?
As I told you, my parents wanted me to become a doctor, so it was not difficult to convince them. As I completed my mass comm, they were okay with all this. My husband was the one who supported me to
Throughout.
get a photo shoot done, to try my hand at acting, and he was the biggest support. And uh, my in-laws were also always a support, and my mother-in-law is my biggest fan, I will say.
Oh my
She's
God.
Today also she watches every episode of mine, and she has to tell me, like she's a मतलब fan ही बोल सकते हैं. Because she calls me, she said हाँ आज तूने बहुत अच्छा किया ये. मतलब my mom is a critic. My mom is my critic.
Yeah.
She'll tell me what needs to be done, what needs not to be done, and you should not do this, you should do this, ऐसा. But my MIL is my big fan. So support तो है, उसके बिना हो ही नहीं सकता.
So nowadays, parents, when children tell their parents कि मुझे एक्टिंग करनी है, तो पेरेंट्स के थॉट प्रोसेस होता है कि होगा या नहीं, वो क्रैक कर पाएंगे कि नहीं इंडस्ट्री में, वो थोड़ा बदल रहा है. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि इट्स अ कम्प्लीटली दैट थिंकिंग, बट थोड़ा नेगेटिव पेरेंट्स में आता है एट अ वन स्लाइड.
I'll cut you short. I'll cut you in between. I know where you're going.
Yeah.
The thing is, I myself am a parent to a young girl. My daughter, as I said, she's doing an internship. So, मैं वो साइकी समझ सकती हूँ पेरेंट्स की कि क्या लगता होगा. 30 years or 25 years down the line, it was like people were really, really worried. एक तो मुंबई के बाहर के बच्चों को मुंबई में भेजना ही बहुत
बड़ी बात थी.
बहुत सेफ्टी इश्यूज, ये इशू वो, सो टेंशन आ जाती थी पेरेंट्स को. तो वो बहुत बड़ी बात थी. तो मुंबई जाओगी तो ये वो उस टाइम वो वाला ज़माना था. बट अब विथ ऑल द सोशल मीडिया एंड विथ एवरीथिंग, मोबाइल भी नहीं थे जब आई स्टार्टेड, पेजर्स भी नहीं थे व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड. सो इट्स लॉन्ग, वो ज़माना था, लॉन्ग टाइम. सो अब तो क्या सब कुछ है. And I think somehow, I don't know, I may be wrong, correct me if I'm wrong, I think parents are much open nowadays. अगर कोई मतलब अगर पेरेंट्स को उनके बच्चे आके बोलते हैं कि मुझे एक्टिंग करनी है, तो ऑफ कोर्स लाइक एनी अदर प्रोफेशन दे विल टेल हिम दैट ओके, आर यू सीरियस, okay, so you really want to focus on acting, do you think you're capable of this, do you think you have that in you, so ये करो, वो करो, वो करो, जो भी suggestions देना है वो उस हिसाब से. तो I think they are much open. That's what I feel. I don't know about each and every, मतलब generalize करना चाहिए नहीं करना चाहिए, I don't know, but almost 70% of parents are like ठीक है, तुझे जो पसंद है वो कर, try your hand at it. Like मेरे भी बहुत सारे आसपास दोस्त लोग हैं जिनके बच्चों को एक्टर होना है, तो बोलता है कि ओके नो प्रॉब्लम, वील हेल्प यू इन एवरी बिट, यू ट्राई इट, ट्राई योर हैंड एट इट, see whether you're fit for it, see whether you like it, and then if you don't like it, do something else. So now parents are much open. Not that मेरे ज़माने में बिल्कुल ही वो था ये मत करो, वैसा नहीं था, but now they are much open, as I feel, as I told you. Correct.
So आपने जब ये करियर स्टार्ट किया अपना, तो आपका थॉट प्रोसेस क्या था कि आई विल डू इट, आई एम गोइंग टू मेक इट, हाउ आई एम गोइंग टू मेक इट? वो एक क्वेश्चन होता है ना, क्वेश्चन मार्क हर चीज में एक आपके सामने होता है एक एक्शन के वक्त. तो व्हाट वाज योर क्वेश्चन मार्क एंड हाउ डिड यू डील विद इट?
There was no question mark. Very frankly, I'm lucky enough, thank God, thank you universe, that जैसे ही मेरे pictures आ गए मेरे पास, one of my friend clicked my pictures. He is a very मतलब he's a dear friend and he is photographer, cinematographer now, and he clicked my pictures. They came out so well that I got work. in the initial days I got work ऐसे ही. Of course, I had to audition. Of course, I gave my best, and I had the support. But ये करना है तो मुंबई जाना पड़ेगा. I'm born and brought up in Pune. तो ये होगा तो 25 साल पहले मुंबई तो जाना पड़ेगा. So I moved to Mumbai. वो पहले ऐसा था कि I stayed with some of the friends first. I used to जैसे छुट्टी होती थी मैं घर जाती थी पूना वापस. Then my husband and myself we shifted here, and since then we are pakka Mumbaikars now. Though we are Punekars also, but we are Mumbaikars also now. This is our
Forgot Pune.
karma bhumi. No, we haven't forgotten.
No?
We are still very much Punekars. We go to Pune often, but we are Mumbaikars also.
Yeah.
I know. I really am very proud of the fact that I know the nook and corner of Mumbai
Yeah, every
now.
gully.
Than every gully. And than my actual Mumbaikar friends. So I really have explored everything in Mumbai, and as I told you, I'm a true proud Mumbaikar now as well as Punekar.
Yeah.
Though it's been more than 25 years. So I came back with my husband, and तब से काम मिलता गया. He also got very good work. So बस उसके बाद होता गया. There were questions initially, but you know, in that stage, you're not afraid of doing anything. You're just exploring things. So वो होता जाता है. ऐसा डर नहीं होता है. Maybe I don't know. Maybe I don't remember now. But support भी था. तो जाके देखते क्या होता है मुंबई. नहीं हुआ तो वापस आएंगे. यहाँ तो घर है ही. इतना अच्छा सपोर्ट जब मिलता है तो you're okay with everything.
with it.
So हो गया तो आ गए मुंबई और बस गए यहीं पे. बस मुंबई कर हो गए.
So, I have a question कि how do you cope up with your co-workers or your team? Like एक डर होता है क्या हर टीम के साथ work करने के लिए, and how do you match their vibes or how do you match their mentalities?
So co-actors, see, everywhere you go लोग होते हैं. तरह तरह के लोग मिलते हैं. तरह तरह के लोग कहाँ से आते हैं, उनका बैकग्राउंड क्या है, उस हिसाब से उनका स्वभाव बनता है. तो हर कहीं भी पड़ाव में या हर कहीं भी जाओ आप, not even at your workplace, anywhere you go, you come across so many different people who have come from different walks of life. So how to deal with them is totally and I can be friends with anyone. बड़े हो छोटे हो. जैसे यहाँ इस शो में एक एग्जांपल देती हूँ. मेरे जो तीनों बेटे हैं वो मेरे फ्रेंड्स ज़्यादा हैं, बेटे कम हैं. They also treat me as their friend rather than a mother. So यहाँ तो यूनिट बहुत ही बढ़िया है. सब लोग फ्रेंड्स हैं and we get along so well. We miss each other when we are not shooting. So that should be it. So daily soap is what? Daily soap, every day you're together for 12, 14 hours, you're working every day. So it has to be harmonious. Things are nice when things are in harmony. That's what I feel. So ये प्रोजेक्ट खत्म होगा, दूसरे प्रोजेक्ट में जाएंगे तो मैं लोगों से जान पहचान कर भी लेती हूँ. I am very friendly to people. So for me it is quite easy. And as I said, when I put my makeup on, I'm there with that particular, place. When I remove my makeup, I'm complete a homemaker. मैं घर जाती हूँ, switch on, switch off. ये अगर टेक्निक अपनाओगे तो बहुत आसान हो जाता है.
Besides acting, what do you love to do in your spare time?
As I said, मेरा घर ही मेरे लिए बहुत है. तो I am a homemaker. I love to, keep my house clean, neat, tidy, ये वो सब. घर अच्छा रखो, that is my thing. And I love my plants. I would love if I have a lovely garden or something. वो मुंबई में बहुत मुश्किल है. But जो भी जितना भी मेरे छोटे छोटे plants है उसकी care करो, उसका वो करो. That is my biggest hobby, gardening. And otherwise, I am a very much sari enthusiast. I love saris. You must have seen me.
Yeah.
And I love reading sari posts. I love to be with my sari group friends. And बाकी सब जो सब करते हैं, फिल्में देखो, प्लेस देखो, अच्छा खाना खाने जाओ, वो सब चलता रहता है.
Now, as you mentioned plays, नाटक जो होता है उसके पर्दे के पीछे जब आप परफॉर्म करने के लिए रेडी होते हो तो आपकी थिंकिंग प्रोसेस क्या होती है? हाउ डू यू गेट योर माइंडसेट डन एंड इतने ऑडियंस के सामने आपको परफॉर्म करना होता है? व्हाट्स योर थिंकिंग प्रोसेस गोइंग ऑन ओवरऑल?
बहुत टाइम लगता है रिहर्सल, इतना हार्ड वर्क और इतना सब उसमें डालने के बाद यू अपने आप लोग घुल जाते हो वो प्रोसेस में, और अपने आप वो प्रोसेस दिमाग में शुरू होता है कि कैसा ये कैरेक्टर होगा, कैसे करेगा, हर हर शो के बाद कैसे एनहांस होगा, कैसे और ज़्यादा अच्छा होगा। ये अपने आप प्रोसेस शुरू होता है फॉर एन एक्टर. सो इट इज़ द वे यू रिहर्स एंड इट इज़ द वे यू नो इट्स अ टीम वर्क, एवरीथिंग इज़ अ टीम वर्क आफ्टर ऑल. सो वो सब मिला के वो हो जाता है, किसी एक का वो नहीं है, हर एक एक्टर का अपना अपना प्रोसेस और प्रोसीजर है.
Okay.
That's what I feel.
Then, जिन youngsters को now for this generation, if they want to make their career in this industry, film acting, आप एक उनको क्या suggestion दोगे?
मैसेज तो इतना ही देना चाहूँगी कि पढ़ाई पूरी करो, खूब पढ़ो और कीप रीडिंग. न्यूज़पेपर्स, टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया, जो भी है, कोई भी भाषा आपको रीड करनी है, कोई भी भाषा जो आपको पसंद है, आप जहाँ के भी हो वो भाषा का अभ्यास करो, भाषा सुधारने की तरफ ध्यान दो और वोकैबुलरी इंक्रीज करो. ये सब का फ़ायदा एक्टिंग में होगा. Improve your diction, improve your language, and if you want to be behind camera, then keep on learning. The learning process never ends. Keep on and keep patience. Patience is the key to everything. Things will take time, but it will happen. So be patient and keep on motivating yourself. And struggles तो है जिंदगी में, तो स्ट्रगल कितने भी आए करते रहो, फाइट फॉर इट.
How was your journey so far? Was it amazing? Was it good? How was it?
My journey, I would say it has just started after a small break maybe, and with so many ups and downs. Yes, as I said, I am grateful to God for whatever I've got, and hopefully I'll be getting the best इससे आगे भी.
Yeah, we are hoping much more from, and we are loving you in every medium, in every way. We are loving you. We are loving you as an artist, as a person. You are amazing, and thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
The Inspired Story is really thankful for your time and supporting us through every way, and teaching us a good lesson was the best thing you did today. So, thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you,
Thank you.
Kasturi.